Okay, welcome everyone here. I'm going to unbox my first ever mechanical keyboard, which is from Fantech. So I recently got it here in my hands, and so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this. So for that, I'm just opening my knife over here, and I'm going to cut this. The other side, and there are few more like this. Okay, so one in we can see over here. So I'm going to simply remove this apart from here, and I'm going to take out my keyboard. So as you can see, here is the keyboard. The packaging is really a lot heavier than I expected. So this is, I think, the bill. These are all paperwork, you know. I'm going to keep them all aside, and I'm going to remove all this plastic protection over here. So I'm going to cut it again. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to tear it apart. I think this is the right choice because cutting is really hard for me. Okay, so one more. I'm just in a hurry because I'm going to play my game. So okay, it is done. I think it can come out from here now. Okay, here is the hole I made. So I'm going to simply pull it over from here. Right. Yes, man. Come on, come out. Okay, as you can see, my new baby over here. This is my new first ever mechanical keyboard, which is from Fantech, and the model is Mk853. So that's all. Now I'm going to open it up again. So here is the packaging, and opening is like this. Okay, so out. Let's open it now. As you can all see over here, see the packaging. It looks fucking professional, you know. Yeah. This is the keyboard cover, and this is the inside look. So I'm going to take out everything. So first of all, here is the warranty card from Fantech. Okay, 1 year warranty they give in almost every product. And this is just the normal user manual of this mechanical keyboard. And here you can see the keycap remover, and this is the sticker that I got, and I'm going to paste it on my laptop as soon as I enter. Okay, here is my keyboard. So I'm going to slowly remove it from the box. Okay, the sound is already coming in my ears of the key. Okay, here is the keyboard. Oh man, it is really so heavy. And this is the wrist pad. I really like wrist pad, so I ordered this model only because of this. First of this, let's take out the wrist pad first. As you can see, this is the wrist pad, and I'm going to keep my hand over here and play the games. And it is just normal plastic, and it has got a rubber base, which is really nice. Okay, let's keep this outside now. And talking about the box, as you can see, everything is empty over here. So I'm going to move towards my keyboard. First of all, this is the normal cover. Okay, now let's bring up the keyboard. Okay, it is really heavier than expected, as I already said. And as you can see, the port is also professional and got a protector over here, and this is the plastic protector, and has got a golden Chinese collar, as you can see over here. I'm going to just put it inside, and I'm going to take out this plastic protection kind of thing. So here is my keyboard coming out. Okay, here is the keyboard. It is really heavy. Okay, I'm going to just type something on this wrist pad especially. I really like it to attach over here and just make my hand comfortable. And this keyboard is really too much heavy, but I don't care because I'm not going to carry it and play, but just I'm going to put my hands over here. So I'll see how I can put up my wrist pad over here. Okay, So it goes like this. Yes, yeah, I think it is like this. Let me try. I'm going to try slowly because I really care now. Let me try it out. Hope I don't break it, man. Yeah, if this is broken, I'm dead. How to do this? I saw in a video they just push this from here, so I'm going to try that same. And yes, it is gone inside. It moves, as you can see. Now I'm going to turn it over and put on my decks like this. And here is the final look of my keyboard. And this is the mechanical keyboard, as you can see. And here is the media controls and all kind of stuffs. And this is nylon thread, I think I read on the box. And the cable quality is really a lot better than expected. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I'm going to do a short clip of the lightning and kind of stuffs. So let's jump into that part. Thank you. Okay, I brought my laptop nearer to the keyboard. Now let's connect this port over here. I'm going to just simply connect it. Okay, where is the lightning? Oh my god damn. As you can see, the lightning is really great. This is the first ever RGB and the mechanical keyboard, both for me. It is the first time I am gonna use this kind of thing. And as you can see, here is the keyboard. I'm going